Want to know how brands are creating realistic AI UGC ads? Here's how to make one using Adobe Firefly. Go to firefly.adobe.com. Open Image, then click Generate Image. Choose your AI model. Set the aspect ratio for your project, then select the image quality. Next, upload a reference image of your product. Now write your prompt. Describe the person, the setting, and the type of UGC content you want to create. Click Generate. Once you're happy with the result, download your favourite image. Now go back to the Firefly homepage. Open Video, then click Generate Video. Choose your video model. Set the resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. In frames, upload the image you just created. Now write a short prompt describing the motion you want to see. Keep it simple, like subtle camera movement, natural facial expressions, or a realistic handheld feel. Short, clear prompts usually produce the most natural-looking results. Click Generate, and that's it. You can repeat the same workflow to create different UGC-style assets for the same product. For example, generate an unboxing video, what's in my bag clip, or a selfie, all while keeping your product consistent across every scene. And that's it. That's how you create realistic AI UGC ads using Adobe Firefly.